Hello, welcome to ES Security. Today we are in second-hand Vietnam. Today I want to introduce our this top-selling model to you all. It's luxury and the classical appearance has attracted many clients' eyes and fear. It's made of strong aluminum alloy, red bronzing finish, and high-end tempered glass faceplates. It works with 50/50 bodies and double latch. Durable and security. It supports multiple unlock way. Password to unlock. RFID card to unlock. Fingerprint to unlock. Also, you can use the mechanical key to unlock. Here is the USB port for emergency charge. It also supports TUYA app and TT-Lock app. At the back panel, it has an electronic deadbolt for high security. Furthermore, what's the important point to tell you? We can offer you very aggressive price to you. So please contact me if you are interested in it.